Comfort feels safe. It feels warm. It feels like peace. But it's not. Comfort is the most dangerous trap of all because it doesn't destroy you quickly. It numbs you, slowly, quietly. It makes you forget who you are. It steals your hunger. It convinces you that mediocrity is enough. The scariest prison in the world is the one that feels like home. He told himself he was resting, that life was stressful, that he deserved a break. But a day off turned into a week turned into months, and the fire that once lived inside him dimmed quietly while the world moved on without him. He used to dream big. He used to wake up before dawn, full of hunger. Now he wakes up tired, even after sleeping 10 hours. Because when your mind loses purpose, no amount of sleep will make you feel alive again. Comfort disguised itself as peace. It whispered, "You've earned this. You'll start again next Monday. You have time." But time is exactly what comfort steals from you. Not all at once, but one lazy morning, one skipped workout, one ignored opportunity at a time. Until one day, you wake up and realize you've been surviving instead of living. We live in a world that worships comfort. Everything around you is designed to make you soft. One-click dopamine, instant validation, quick pleasure, zero effort. You don't even have to chase your dreams anymore. You just scroll for people who already did. But the truth, comfort is not peace. It's sedation, a slow, quiet death that looks like rest. Pain is what wakes you up. Discomfort is what teaches you discipline. You can't grow in a room full of pillows. You grow in fire. You grow when you're uncomfortable, uncertain, unready. Every rep, every rejection, every failure, that's where strength is built. That's where character is born. Comfort teaches you to stay the same. Pain dares you to become more. And the people who keep choosing ease, they never realize what they've traded. They gave away greatness for a little bit of temporary calm. Then something shifts. A small spark of disgust. A whisper in his chest saying, "This can't be all there is." That's the breaking point. The death of the victim and the birth of the warrior. He stands, not because he feels ready, but because he's tired of rotting in comfort. He runs. No music, no motivation, just raw breath and resistance. Every step hurts, but that pain, it feels right. It feels real. And slowly, he realizes something profound. You don't beat comfort once. You fight it every single day. Discipline isn't about being strong all the time. It's about choosing progress even when you feel weak. Because the version of you that keeps showing up is the version that wins. Comfort is a liar. It promises peace, but delivers emptiness. Discomfort is the truth. It hurts, but it heals. If you ever feel lost, don't chase what's easy. Chase what challenges you, because that's where your power is hiding. Pain didn't ruin you. Comfort did. But discipline will rebuild you. And if you're ready to rise again, to burn the comfort and rebuild your hunger, start your journey with a 21-day discipline blueprint. Train your mind to seek progress over pleasure. Because comfort won't save you, discipline will. Link in description.